this video, I'm going to show you how a Bombas weight and balance mobile application works in flying mode. Please take note that I'm currently running the application on a tablet with a 10-inch screen. When we say offline mode, we are referring to a situation where you have no internet connection on your device. So in order to show that, I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi connection and double check that my mobile data is also off. We have no connection from anywhere. So go to the flight list and find your flight and click on the OPM button. On the OPM page, you can generate the OPM for a flight even in offline mode by entering the data into the 5 sections here. In the DOW section, enter a number of crew. For example, 2 for cockpit crew and 3 for cabin crew, and choose Pantry D. Click on the Submit button. As you can see, the system sends you a message indicating that because there is no internet connection, the data is stored on the device locally and the data is not synced by the server. So because of this, on the title of the section, you can only see one check mark right here. So on the fuel page, enter the total fuel here, enter the taxi fuel, and enter the trip fuel, and click on the Submit button. And because we are offline, there is no calculation and no results yet. In the weight limitation section, enter a regulated amount for takeoff weight if needed. For example, I'll enter 76,000 kilograms for takeoff. In the cabin section, for any destination and in each class, you must enter the PAX information. For example, for this flight, I enter 70 male passengers, 20 female passengers, 5 children, and 1 infant. As you can see, we have a total of 95 passengers. Then we must distribute this number of passengers to their aircraft zones below here. And then you're going to click on Submit. And finally, in the compartment section, you can see a graphical layout of the aircraft, holds and positions. You're going to click on Add Item, choose the compartment, choose the section, for example, section 11, and enter 500 kilograms for baggage. Click Apply. Then you can see the item here. One more time, click on Add Item, choose compartment 3 and position 31. Enter 900 kilograms for baggage weight and click on Apply. And then we can see the item here. And last time, choose compartment 4 and position 42. Enter the weight, 1,000 kilograms for cargo. Click Apply. And again, you see your item here. And click on the Submit button. Okay, now we have entered all the information for this flight and for load control purposes, and we are still offline. This is the only moment where you must find an internet connection to finalize all the data and to generate the load sheet. So, to do this, I'm going to have to turn on my internet connection here. And then I'm going to click on Finalize. Now, all the data has been sent to the server, and the server has sent back to the application the results and the summary of the information of your flight. And if you click on the Load Sheet button, you will see the load sheet that the server and the application generated for your flight. And of course, you can choose another type of message or document here. In the near future, when you have a SIM card in your device, you will have the ability to send and receive SMS. This application has the ability to send the data to SMS to the server and receive the result by SMS from the server. And that is all for this flight.